Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I get asked about my boxes a lot, as you can see my boxes. So I keep forgetting the name, is Iris Yamaha something. And every time I go in and check from Amazon, where I buy them from, the price is different. And this time it was almost half the price for 6 of them instead of 3 of them. But then I noticed that they were not exactly like the ones that I already have. So let's see how they are. All right, so as expected, they don't come assembled like the old ones do. And I don't have any problem with that at all, because the biggest problem with ordering these from Amazon is that 20% of them comes broken. All right, so as said, they don't come assembled, but I'm absolutely okay with that, because the 3 packs comes assembled and they are always damaged, and they come delivered quite nice. Yeah, and all you do is place the lid on top. The rear corners are a bit rounded and the front corners are straight square. And then we have the lid. And that's it. And we have a damaged box, as always. They feel lighter and not as my old ones. They are larger in size. And as you can see on the corners, they are not straight in the corners. So if I would build a wall with 12 of them, you can't staple them side by side like these. But for more or less half the price, 3 of them cost like 90 euro and 6 of these cost 100 euro instead. So almost half the price. That's it. I will post links in the description, but I must say I prefer the old ones. Yeah. Thanks for watching.